Hello, welcome back to my channel. So let's start today's video. Flair Writo-Meter Silk Ball Pen. This pen comes in a nice cardboard box. This pen only available in blue color. Firstly, on the bottom of the box clearly mentioned writing length 3000 meter. On the other side, the cost of pen is mentioned. It cost around 30 rupees and the manufacturing date is 6 June 2023. On the other side, the clear picture of pen is mentioned. Let's unbox it. This is little ASMR. Yeah. Keep this box aside and let's take a look on this pen. The first impression and in hand feel is very premium. The coat quality of this pen is not so good as is to be. The clip is so stiff. If you like springy clip, then this pen is not for you. And on the barrel, Writo-Meter Flair Silk is stamped. Let's open the clip. If I hold this pen in my hand, then this pen is feeling comfortable. Let's take a look on pen refill. It looks similar to regular Writo-Meter ball pen. After posting the pen, the looking of pen is very nice and elegant. The color of pen is very fantastic. Let's see the writing sample. The tip of this silk Writo-Meter ball pen is thicker than the regular one. This pen writes so smooth and even better than the regular one. Let's check the smudge test. Yeah, this pen writes good, but this smudge a little bit. I think this pen is good for 30 rupees. And you can also use this for a daily use. This pen is good for students as well as a office going man because of this elegant looking. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like fountain pens and ball pens, then this channel is for you. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Bye bye. See you again.